In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay period in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to adjust so your payroll aligns with how and when you want employees to be paid. We're working in QuickBooks Online, and this walkthrough focuses on the built-in payroll settings you already have. Start by heading to your QuickBooks Online account and opening your company. If you're prompted to sign in, use your administrator credentials so you have access to payroll preferences. Once your dashboard loads, you're in the right place to make the change. Look to the upper right corner and click the Settings gear icon. It's the small gear that opens your company and product settings. If your browser window is narrow, you might need to maximize it or scroll slightly to see the icon. Clicking this will reveal a menu with several options related to your company setup. From that menu, choose Payroll Settings. This is where QuickBooks keeps the key preferences that drive how your payroll runs. Inside Payroll Settings, find the section labeled Payment Schedule or Pay Schedule and select Edit. This is the control panel for your pay period. Here, you can adjust how often employees are paid, weekly, every 2 weeks, twice a month, or monthly, and align the pay date with the period it covers. As you make your selection, think about the workflow around your payroll. For example, if you track hours, choose a period that gives managers enough time to approve timesheets before payday. If you use direct deposit, be mindful of lead time so funds land on the date you intend. Also, consider compliance and consistency. Changing a pay period mid-cycle can create confusion, so it's best to switch at the end of a period and communicate the change to your team before the next run. QuickBooks will apply your updated schedule going forward. Previously processed paychecks remain as they were. Take a moment to review your choice and confirm the update. You'll see your new pay period reflected the next time you prepare payroll. If the cadence doesn't look right, simply return to the same payroll settings area and adjust the payment schedule again until it matches your intended timeline. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks, open the settings gear, head into payroll settings, and edit the payment schedule to the period that fits your business. Make this adjustment once, and it keeps your payroll consistent, predictable, and easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently update your pay period in QuickBooks.